This video we're going to be talking about the scale up plan on the ad creative. We're talking about the scale up plan on the ad creative, and I'm going to show you how to sign up, how to pay for the ad creative scale up plan. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to the Zig Analytics using the link in the description, a discount link. Remember, you get a 25% discount on your purchase if you purchase today. It doesn't matter when you purchase, but for as long as you use the discount link, you're going to get 25% discount. So the first thing is go to the pricing plans, go to the pricing, and we're going to look at the pricing. Remember, the scale up plan we're looking at. You're going to get a 25% off. And guys, apart from the 25% off, let me mention something else. You're also going to get a free $500 if you sign up. Once you sign up and start using ad creative, you're going to be able to get $500 for your ads. Now, what does ad creative do? One of the things it does so many things. It helps you run your ads. It gives you ideas and creative ideas, like for your title and all of that, different ways of optimizing to get the best results. So if you're someone who runs ad, I'm someone who runs Google ads, I run Facebook ads, and I do all kinds of things to make money on the internet. I sell products, so I run ads, and I've noticed among all the creative tools that help you to optimize your ads, ad creative is the best. So I highly recommend you use ad creative. So today we're going to be talking on the pricing. I just wanted to show you guys that you get a $500 free credit for when you use ad creative on Google. If you want to run ads on Google, you're going to get $500 free credit. So now that that's said, let me go to the pricing plan. Let me go to the pricing plan. And the first thing we're going to do is to look at the plan. This is the scale up plan we came for, the scale up plan, and it's just $149 a month. And let's see the features it helps you with. Okay, you're going to get the number of credits you're going to get 100 credits, which means that you're going to be able to have 100 credits. Credits help you to run ads without paying. That's what ad creative does for you. And then you have number of brands. You have two brands. You have the ability to have two different brands on the same ads, right, on ad creative, for them to optimize for you. And the unlimited generations, which is amazing. We have integrations, different integrations for Facebook and Google and all of that. So you can take a look at it and look at it if it suits your business. They help you with these creative ideas. They help you generate text. And trust me guys, I've done this before. I've tried optimizing my Google. I'm running ads on Google without ad creative, generating my own text and all, and I've tried it using ad creative, and honestly the one for ad creative produced more results. I made more sales with ad creative, so I highly recommend you use ad creative. They generate text for you. The AI generate text for you. Creative Insight Pro, which is amazing guys, and it's actually very amazing. So we're going to get started. We click on this. We click on the scale up plan, which is what we came for. So we click on the scale up plan. It's on the scale up plan. You've gotten to this page. This is the next page. So this is the second step. We are going to fill up our full name. We're going to put in our email. We're going to put in our password and then confirm password. So I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing, exactly what I'm doing. Alright guys, now that we're here, okay, sorry guys, I know my background changed. My background is now black. The reason is because I'm using the Cognito tab for transparency. The reason why I'm using it is because I already have an account on ad creative. So if I try logging in, they're going to log me straight into my account. But I just want to show you, I want to walk you through how to sign up, how to pay for the scale up plan. That's what we're doing in this video. So that's why I'm using the Cognito tab. So the first thing is to put in your name, put in your email, put in your password. Guys, make sure you put a password you're going to remember. This is a quick tutorial. Make sure you put your password you're going to remember, and I'm putting my password. And guys, okay, if you notice, they said this user already exists. The reason they are saying so is because I already have an account of ad creative. Like I told you, I already have an account. which means, guys, because I already have an account, I'm not going to be purchasing Ad Creative the second time. I'm not going to purchase it because I already have an account. They already seen, so I have an account with them, so I'm not going to purchase the second time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through. But when it comes to the credit card area, you just put your credit card and it's done. But I don't have to pay for it the second time because I already have an account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log in with my other emails so that I can be able to walk you guys through step by step. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to put in my email. Okay. Then you put in the password. Like I said, guys, make sure you put in the password you're going to remember. Make sure you put in the password you're going to remember. Then you click enter. You click this, guys. Now what's going to happen? Okay, guys, now they've redirected us straight to the page, the checkout page. But guys, remember, I already have an account on here, but I'm going to put in my details, but I'm not going to purchase because I already have an account. So those of you who want to take Ad Creative serious, you want to purchase, so just go ahead. It's safe. I've tried it out, I've tested it, I have an account. It's completely safe. Your card is safe with them. So just log in, and yeah, you get a 7-day free trial. This is to verify your account. You will not be charged during your 7-day free trial. Okay, guys, they have a 7-day free trial. After the 7-day free trial, then they're going to deduct the amount of money. It's so easy. It's easy and simple. So okay, guys, now that I'm done putting my card details, I'm just going to hit complete. So if you're done putting your card details, you're going to hit complete, and they're going to log you directly into your account. Guys, they're going to log you directly into your account, and that's how you're going to sign up to and pay for the Scaleup plan on Ad Creative. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly leave me a like. I just wanted to help you guys out, help people out try to purchase softwares that they want to purchase. So that's it for today. Remember, the link is in the description below. It's a discount link, which means that if you use the link in the description to sign up to Ad Creative, you're going to get over 25% discount. So I highly recommend you use the link in the description. Also, you're going to get free $500 if you want to run ads. So those of you who want to run ads on Ad Creative, I highly recommend that you use the link in the description. They're going to give you $500 free to run your Ad Creative, to run your Google ads. So I highly recommend it. So that's it for today. Bye.